Hello everyone, I'm Swara and I welcome you all to my channel Swaratutorials. So our today's topic is what happens after death. Aren't you wondering? So first let's know that why we all have to die. Like birth, death too is a part of our life. When we think about it, our mind conjures up images of cemeteries and old people. But death can also come to young people through illness or accidents. The way bereavement is handled differs from person to person and from culture to culture. Many also argue in favor of euthanasia or mercy killing in situations where a person is in permanent state of coma or in extreme pain and agony due to incurable disease. So let's turn to our topic, that's what happens after death. Man has been trying to find an answer to this question ever since he has become aware about the preciousness of his life. Almost all cultures and religions of the world believe in some form of life after death. Islam, Christianity, and Judaism uphold the concept of immortality of the soul and blissful life after death in paradise. Other religions, such as Hinduism, say that the dead are reborn on earth. Some even believe that the deceased remained among their loved ones for quite some time after death, as they initially do not realize that they have crossed the mortal threshold. However, no one has yet been able to give concrete proof about life after death. Hope you like our today's video. If you, then like, share and subscribe.